try anything you're about to see at home. We're what you call experts.
Materials, solid ice as our control, pipecrete, which is sawdust with water frozen to make ice, or frozen newspaper, and we're testing them on buoyancy and strength. Which one would you think would be the strongest and most buoyant?
I'm going to say the ice is going to be the most buoyant. I think I'm going to go with the pure ice on strength and buoyancy. And I would probably make a boat out of wood or metal if I had to make a boat, but if those are my three options.
Well, I originally thought the ice, but that was my stupid guess.
I'm wrong! So, there you go.
If you make a shell, we'll have a lower density than the other objects, and we'll be in the best spot.
You're correct based on our testing. So, thank you.
No, the solid ice.
Solid ice.
Yeah, that's going to be my guess.
I think the water and sawdust mixture, maybe.
Sawdust. It'll soak stuff up. Like when there's a mess in the store. I'm gonna go with that one.
Sawdust, alright.
Yeah.
It was
This is sawdust and water.
Yes, Henry.
You're right.
Yes. So proud of him. Look at this. Frosh. Frosh right here, baby. A physics Frosh student getting that question right.
okay. The biggest difficulty that we faced in this project was finding a freezer big enough to make an actual size ice boat because the weather outside warmed up a lot considerably, so we weren't able to just leave it outside. What we're doing to combat this issue right now is we're checking other freezers. We checked Richardson's, but health code violations, we weren't allowed to. And so now we're going to try and check with the school to see if we can keep it in their freezer. If not, we're going to put it in a cold room. It's already in a garage right now, and with an air conditioner it should cool it down, and then we'll be able to test it in colder water so that it doesn't need to be as hard.
The hardest part for me was separating the newspaper to lay them down on the sled we're using to mold the boat, and it was very hard, and our hands were very cold. We almost experienced hypothermia, and
The hardest thing was finding enough newspaper to make a boat, because no matter how much newspaper you lay down, you're only going to get about a half inch.
In my opinion, the biggest problem was probably just, like Holly had said, was finding a place to put the boat.